master disconnect. There. Here it is. You have to reset meter number 1 has to be reset and set it back into run. Give it a second, it'll start to flash. See, now it's reset.
Okay.
Now we go to meter number 2.
We got a new knob coming right here.
Yep.
That's gonna be a new knob.
We go to meter number 2. Same thing, you have to reset it. Down and then up all the way to run. Give it a few seconds and it resets. Always leave it in run. Okay. Right here. Here's your PTO. Turn your PTO on. And for under the wing, you gotta use the background switch.
Now right now we're fueling or
Pressure. See that right there?
very good.
Alright. Right now we're recirculating. We're putting it back into the same tank. We got 275, 280 gallons. See? It stops automatically. You let go, it stops. Push it, comes back on. See? Starts to pump again. You let go, stops. Alright? Now we're gonna do a refuel. Alright, check out the meter over here. Going back. Going back now. Same thing, you let go, stop. Push it. Starts to refuel. Okay.
Yeah, and we have a new display coming here. We're gonna have a new display here, and then another one, another display. Both gonna be new.
All right, so that's right. Let's disconnect it and roll it in. The reel works. Everything works on it. Let's get the hose back in here. Now we can do the over the wing. Same thing. Turn the PTO off. Reset it. There he goes. Same thing to the other one. Reset it. Back into run. All right. Now we can do the rest. Right here. Like, stuck in the gotta make sure that lever is all the way in, or it will not let you pump. Make sure it's all the way in. Now we can pump. Right here. Alright? It'll set off by itself. That's that. Now we can do the other one over here. Same thing, you gotta go through the same process. You gotta reset it. There it goes. Goes. Now we can turn the PTO on. We gotta move the handle. It should come on automatically. There you go. See that over there? There's 5 gallons right there.
They got new tires back here.
Yep. That's it. Just don't forget to shut off your main. It'll drain the battery out.